Jangan lagi. Sigi ada lagi, sigi mana pun boleh je. Sigi aku right kamu, macam ni je. Ni dah angam mom tu.
Oh, ini udah. Ada berapa utama tu?
Sigi.
Ada mau uri.
Namaste everyone. So right now I'm here at Kabul Lamjau National Park, and it's one and only floating national parks where one of the rare species, also known as Sangai deer, in English we call it owl deer, is one of the rare species, and we only have, as per the 2018 information, only 251 of them is left. Only 251, and this is the habitat that they are living. And you see they are, getting less and less in numbers. Do you know why? It's because of us, the human beings. Poaching. Yes, these Sangai deers have been endangered once in 1951 because of poaching of our older generation, of our grandpas and grannies. And that's not okay, and it's still going on. Like, it's not okay, guys. Like, this is not a joke. Sangai deers can be endangered anytime now. Whether it's because of climate change that we have caused, global warming, rising in temperature, or the poaching hunting of these Sangai deers, their babies, these deers, it's not okay. So we have to save these Sangai deers right now. And I just want to request to the government of Manipur, the government of India, to stop the Loktak hydroelectric project. Because of this, do you know how much it impacts these Sangai deers, their habitat, their vegetation? No, you don't. If you did, then you would have stopped this project a long ago. And this has been continued for various long years. This must be stopped now. So I hope the government of India, government of Manipur, and the people, tourists, whether it's tourists of other countries, of our India, or of our Himalaya Manipur, adumana miyamna tabire, akhoi athuida action lobiyo. Save Sangai, save our planet, save our future. Thank you.
Every year, we have a target on the go. Target is going to collect among them. Hajki am hungry again. See, machi say, Queen in the target and the current shop or a cocoa. The Moise, female or the Shanghai moment, and time calcium, Mopotin, we have the oven in the palm to Java. And then the Mozart people are moving to Mozart who are hungry. And a young man.
John, see the Pambi Maurice. Pambi say, this is a very young lake. We say, Manipuri, Ahan, Tower, and Pambi, Hannah, when I see a big Pamatu. Magi, like Nura, Nura, Lake. Mayam Nura, Lake, Nura Kudo Lake, Manipuri, Ahan, the Tower, and Yaiba. Aduga, Azina Siro, Lina, Mountain Redana. Aduga, Ivan Nura Kudo Lake, Magi.
Hello guys, sup? How are you? So right now I'm here at Kabul Lamjau National Park, and it's really great to be here. You know, right now this is the one and only floating national park, and in the whole world, and it's really special again because of one of the very rare species being here, which is the Sangai deer, also known as the owl deer. And you can see how I'm here in the floating marshy grassland, which is the habitat of the Sangai deer. And see how this is floating. Like, this is my first lifetime experience, which would be in my heart forever. Look at this feeling is like waking up my spirit.
चलो की दबी की ने की चले चलो काम का मोमेंटम मत
ओइरमदा हायरा चलो चल
की दबी ग्रुप चल तभी देखो
Guys, right now I'm walking over water. I'm walking over a lake. I'm walking over Loktak Lake. Can you imagine how you can walk above the water? Like it only can be done in Manipur, my Himalaya Park, right? And I'm showing this off. I'm showing. Hey, Himalaya Park, the khatam phang mo do. Yeah. Ising mathak ta nahi.
पादनी लेफ्ट रमदा हाइबियो अदु खुंगाक दो कितन ताकत है जोड़े का दिन आइते चल ओइरमदा हायो लेफ्ट नंगी ओइरमदा हाय मिल तक मा
करा देरा मोगे
साइड कुंबियो कैसु काइरो
कुमना मफम साइड तौ जितो
साइड जो कैसु काइरो सिदा कम
कुंबा यानी में अब तो है
साइड कुंबा कैसु काइरो अदु असाई अपा संगम दब नगाय बे वाल ना फारो करा ला कुंबा
लाइडिन उजुनी
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ
लाइडिन उजुनी बा nga ine doi do adu maning du nga ine tau idana
ꯖꯨꯜ ꯅꯣ ꯕꯤ ꯑꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ